Often in engineering, you will have to convert units. It doesn't matter where you will work, you will need to be comfortable with unit conversions. They will usually happen within their own standards, either English or SI units. Sometimes you will have to cross over from one standard to the other. My usual tradition is to convert everything into its base units, such as pounds, newtons, inches, or meters. I usually convert to these base units first, and then if needed to at the end, I convert to the specific unit. The easiest way I can think of converting, and that always helps me to keep track, is the picket fence method. Picket fence method begins with making several picket fences like this, which basically are a bunch of fractions with bars to help separate them. You can make as many as you want until you get to your final unit. You put your initial units in the first picket. If you have multiple units, you can add them either on top or below the division symbol. Then you just make sure that when you want to convert, you put the unit that you want to go away on the opposite side of the division symbol. After you have everything organized, you just multiply across. Let's do an example problem to show this. Let's convert 2 pounds per foot to newtons per millimeter. What we can do is simply draw these picket fences and put all the units and their particular conversions in order. First, we start with converting the feet to inches. Then we can convert the inches to centimeters. And then we can convert the centimeters to millimeters, and then we can convert the pounds to newtons. What we notice is that the feet and inches, centimeters and pounds will all cancel out. We will then be left with newtons per millimeter. Now all we have to do is simply multiply, and we get 0.0292 newtons per millimeter.